Hey guys, it's Rehan here and welcome to another video. So many of you guys have been asking me about admission into KPC Medical College and Hospital, the college that I study in. Like many of you guys asked me about the fee structure, the admission cutoff marks, the hostel fee and stuff like that. So this video is specifically for that purpose. But before we begin, one thing I want to make sure and clear it out with you guys is that most of the information that I provide in this video are approximate. Okay, like none of it is like exact to the figure, because I took admission in KPC around 4.5 years back, and since then like many procedures have changed. So like this video won't give you the exact figure, but after watching it you'll have an approximate idea of how things are. That being said, the first thing I want to talk about is the cutoff marks. So I asked my juniors, the current first years who took admission in 2019, they said for their batch it was around 500. To give you an approximate idea about the ranges from 480 to 520. Now one thing we got to keep in mind is that in 2019 there was a massive jump in the cutoff marks from 2018 because the paper was comparatively easier. So there are various factors that need to be taken into consideration while deciding the cutoff marks, and same goes for 2020. But if you ask me for an approximate range, it will be a little above from that, like for last year that is 480 to 520, because each year the competition increases a little. Now that being said, the second thing I want to talk about is the type of seats that KPC has. The KPC has basically three types of seats. One is the state quota, the management quota and the NRI quota. Now before I talk in detail about each type of seat, I want to give you a brief idea about the MBBS curriculum, because that will help you understand better the fee structure. So the MBBS course duration is 4.5 years of study and 1 year of internship. In 4.5 years of study, that is divided into semesters, 9 semesters, and each semester is of duration of 6 months. So 6 months into 9 semesters, that comes to 4.5 years. And after that you've got to do an internship for 1 year under the government, and you will be given a stipend for that each month, which I'll come to later. Now coming to the type of the seats, like this is a notice I found on the official website of KPC, but this is for the 2018 batch and you guys are taking admission in 2020, so 2 years gap, but this will give you an approximate idea of how things are. So here you will see like they've given the tuition fees. Okay, so there are three types of seats, as I said: the state quota, management quota and the NRI quota. The state quota, the entire tuition fee for 4.5 years duration is 9,90,000. For management quota 40,50,000, and for NRI quota 1 crore 50 lakhs. Now here one thing I want to say is that the state quota fees, that is given semester wise. Like this entire amount of 9,90,000, it will get divided into 9 semesters of equal amount, and you have to pay each semester wise, like every 6 months you have to pay. The other two, that is the management and the NRI quota, those are not paid semester wise, but those are paid in installments. Okay, like there are 3 or 5 installments like that, whatever you opt for. Okay, now one thing that needs to be mentioned here, I'll make a detailed video about counseling once your results are out to better guide you better on that, but I'll just mention the points here. Like the state quota seats that you see here will be only allotted to the students of West Bengal state, that is the people who have West Bengal as a domicile state. Okay, the rest too, that is the management and the NRI quota, those can be taken by students all over India. Now each state has its own counseling website. Like for in West Bengal, the website is wbmcc.nic.in. Along with sitting for centralized counseling for NEET, that is for the 15% seats. But apart from that, if you want to take admission in these seats of KPC, you've got to apply via the wbmcc.nic.in, that is the state quota website. Every state almost has their own state quota website for admission into their colleges. I'll make a detailed video on this counseling later, but for now just keep this much in mind. Now after that, coming to the hostel part. So the hostel in KPC, there are 2 separate hostels, one for the boys hostel, girls hostel. Okay, the hostel fee for each student is 3,000 per month. Be it from any quota, it is same for all the students. It is 3,000 per month. It includes your accommodation, electricity charges, water and everything. It doesn't include food. The food part you've got to pay separately. Either you can eat in the mess or the canteen of the hostel, or order your own food. So that goes about the hostel part. The hostel is more or less clean only, and like in the other video of tour of my medical college, you'll see that our hostel has 3 types of rooms: 2-bedded rooms, 3-bedded and 4-bedded rooms. You'll get more details about that from that video. I'll leave a link to that video in the description box. After that, coming to the internship part. Now after your medical study for 4.5 years is done, you've got to do a year of internship under the government. In KPC, like for us, we've got to do internship at 4 places. That is the KPC Medical College and Hospital, that is our home branch. Along with that, Beleghata ID, Subhasgram Rural Hospital and Narendrapur IIMC. These 4 places. And during our internship, you will be paid a stipend. You'll be given a salary of 7,500 per month. So that is the amount you'll be getting during your internship. Okay, so that was all about the fee and the stipend, everything. Most of it got covered. If I leave anything out, please drop me a text, feel free to ask. Apart from that, many of you guys were asking about the study, academics and stuff like that. So one thing I want to tell you guys is that, see, this is basic for all college, all branches, be it engineering or anything. Like in college, it is no more school or tuition like. So no one over here, none of the professors will spoon feed you stuff. You're a grown-up person, so most of the things you've got to do on yourself. You've got to pay attention in your class. If you pay fair attention in your class, you'll do good in your exams. Very basic stuff. The academics is quite good in our college, I'll say, and compared to the government colleges, the discipline factor is a little more over here because it's a semi-autonomous college and it's a little more cleaner too. These are more or less the things that needed to be said. And if I miss out on anything, feel free to text. And if I that we are human, so there's a possibility I might have made a few mistakes. If there's anything, I'll drop a correction in the description or things like that. And if you want to contact me, here are my contact details. My Instagram is @RAIHAN_ALI_MONDAL, and Facebook is RAIHAN_ALI_MONDAL. So that was it. All the best for your results and all the best for your counseling. And before counseling, I'll make another video about the counseling procedures so that you will understand that in details. Chalo, bye bye, take care.